Hi guys, Namaskaram. Welcome back to my channel Sri's Delight. So in my previous videos, you should have seen the theme of Krishna and my Golu, vegetable vendors, the bangle market and some jewelry markets and all. So today I'm here to explain the one more theme which I set up for this Navaratri Golu, that is the Murugan's birth. Murugan is also known as Subramaniam. Most of the people, they don't know what's the birth of Murugan. So for few who knows that, please bear with me. For the people who don't know this, I'm going to tell this today. So when I was planning to tell you about the story, my husband was making fun of me whether you're going to tell about Skanda Puranam or what. In fact, I don't know any of the Skanda Puranam or anything about this Murugan. I only know about the Pankaja Puranam. That is my grandmother's story. Her name was Pankajam. So she used to tell me the stories when I was a kid. So this story, it goes like this, that once upon a time, when this demigods and the evil gods, or whatever we call Rakshasas, they both had a ego fights. So they were fighting like who is great and all. So in that fight, these evil gods, they were defeating all the demigods. So these demigods, they came to ask help from Shiva. So they came running to Shiva. As our Shiva always loves to be in meditation, so he was meditating. So when this demigods was asking for help, he was in a deep meditation, so that he couldn't hear what they are telling. So as the crowd increased and they were shouting a lot, Shiva thought there is some problem. So he by mistakenly opened his third eye. So whenever he opens his third eye, they say the fire comes out of his third eye. So there was like sparkles coming out of his eyes. Actually, he doesn't know, he didn't knew who was like for where he have to open the third eye. He opened the third eye and the sparkles was coming out and the fire was all over the place. So it also burned some of the demigods' place also. So by seeing this, even the demigods, they came and asked help. Oh Shiva, why are you firing us also? Your sparkle is destroying our land also. So please be calm. So there was calming Shiva. So by the time there was calming Shiva, Shiva has ejected 6 sparkles of fires. So it was burning all over. And then he closed it. Then he came into a normal state. Then he realized that he has destroyed few of the land. So now he told, once I ejected the fire, I cannot destroy it. So it has to destroy something. So I'm helpless. So these demigods were like, they were thinking what to do of these fires. Then he gave a solution, that to take the fire and put it in some water. So when these demigods went and asked in some rivers, everyone was so much afraid that Shiva's fire, it was so huge, so that river cannot calm the fire. So at last Shiva went and asked his wife, the Ganga, who was rested in his head. So she came and she told, anyway, I will flow the water and I will calm your fire. So when Ganga, she flowed, it was like a huge flood, and all those 6 sparkles, they are kept in the water, and the sparkles, since it was Shiva's fire, it shouldn't be wasted. So the sparkles turned into a baby, 6 babies. By the time the 6 babies, the Ganga saw and she was afraid. Now if I am staying here, this Shiva will give this baby for me. So I will just run away. And she went and she sat on the Shiva's head. Now the Shiva was so much like confused what to do with these babies. He was like confused seeing all the babies, 6 babies. He was thinking what to do. By the time even Parvati was not there because she has been to a parents teacher meeting for Ganesha. So Ganesha was in a kindergarten. So Parvati went to school. So by the time Parvati came from school, she was so much angry on Ganesha because he was so much naughty in the school and he got lots of complaints regarding his naughtiness. So she came, when she came and saw the babies, she was so much angry on Shiva. She told that she is not going to look after these kids because she's having a kid who is very much naughty and she cannot tolerate all the 6 kids. Then Shiva thought, let me make some maidens for them or nannies for them to look after the kids. So even Shiva was afraid of Parvati. He appointed 6 women to look after the babies. So the 6 nannies' name was Amba, Tula, Nidharini, Aprajayanti, Mehendi, Vardayindi. These are the 6 names of this 6 Kartigai Pengal. This women was called as Kartigai Pengal. So these 6 women was looking after this Murugan, not Murugan, the babies. So this Parvati, she was not able to handle one kid. By the time there was 6 babies in the house, they were crying a lot. She was like so much fed up of the babies crying. She got so much frustrated, and she came near the babies, and she took all the babies together, and she made all the babies into one baby, that is Shanmuga. Shanmuga also known as 6 head, the 6 head of the 6 babies in one body, that is Shanmuga. So she made the babies into one baby and kept a name as Shanmuga. And since you all must be knowing that Parvati will be having that Trisulam or Sulam, so this baby Muruga wanted that Sulam, so he was asking her for that Sulam and he was pulling that. So Parvati made a miniature Sulam for that. It is known as veil. So when she gave that veil to that Murugan, he became Shakti veil. So Shakti is our Parvati and the veil is that Shulam, the small veil which she gave to him. So from that time even he was known as Shakti Velan also. So he has lots of names like Shanmuga, Muruga, Subramanya, Shakti Veil, Kartigeya, because of Kartigeya Pengal, and the month he was born also was Kartiga month. So there were many names. This is a story which my grandmother told me. I don't know how much of this is true or not true. This was very much fun for me when I was a kid, and still my kids also enjoy this story. When we tell the kids in the deep version, they won't understand and they don't want to hear the stories. So when we convert our God story into like a normal regular stories, it will be fun. Actually, when did Ganesha went to school? When I was kid, I used to believe, because even I was going to school, so I thought even Ganesha used to go to school. But now when I grown up, if I think of the story, it is so much funny. But I think this is very good information to tell to kids to know about the God stories. So today, this is my theme of the Kartiga Pengal. There are 6 women and 6 babies inside. So this is Shiva. So this is Ganga, the mountain. Just my amateur theme which I made. So hope you like this video and the story also. Please do like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. We'll meet you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Thank you for watching my channel.